Okay, question number 27. An isolated point charge Q is located at point X. Okay, point X here. Two other points Y and Z are such that X, Y, Z equal to 2XY. YZ is equal to 2XY. 2XY. I'll do one thing. I'll call XY to be R so that YZ will be 2R. Okay. Now, what is the electric field at Y? What is the electric field at Y to the electric field at Z? Electric field at Z. What's the formula for electric field? Electric field due to a point charge is given by KQ divided by R square. What is R here? The distance, right? With respect to Y, here, what is the electric field now? EY is equal to KQ divided by distance is R square. I'll write like this. And what is EZ? EZ will now be equal to KQ divided by total distance from X to Z. What is it? R plus 2R, which is 3R square. 3R the whole square, not 3R square. It is 3R the whole square over here. Okay, it's going somewhere else. Go back. So this should be 3R the whole square. 3R the whole square, which should now be equal to KQ divided by 9R square. Now what do? Divide one by the other. Divide one by the other here, right? When I do this, what do I get? EY by EZ. This should now be equal to KQ by R square divided by KQ by 9R square. KQ goes away, R square and R square also will go away. Okay, so R square and R square will also go away. So what do I get here? This should be equal to 9 over here. So the answer is D.